we're going to talk about AI agents as an integration layer for interoperable ocean digital twins. From Mallorca, thank you for welcoming Lenna. Hello.
Hi, thank you for the invitation. Let's start. So today I'm going to introduce you to the artificial intelligence agent-based working environment designed to integrate regional digital twins and support use cases in the Mediterranean Sea. This is a collaborative project between SOCIB, Blue Lobster, and other partners within the digital twin ecosystem. Essentially, what I want to share is the approach we are taking to transform data and models available at SOCIB into integrated knowledge that converts that data into results adapted to different type of users. For over a decade, SOCIB has been operating a fully integrated coastal observation and forecasting system, which has generated a large amount of data and knowledge about the Western Med. Until now, experts run the models, and users have to interpret the results. We aim to create a more powerful system that is accessible to any type of user, and that not only provides data, but allows to integrate knowledge, allowing to go beyond the existing data, explore different scenarios, and obtain answers adapted to the user's questions. At first, it was unclear how to apply the concept of digital twins to the oceans, since it is an open, dynamic, complex system. We realized we needed something with the flexibility to integrate a very diverse set of components. A system that allowed users to ask questions easily without needing to understand the models or the available data. To test this approach, we have developed an agentic AI pilot project that coordinates specialized agents to answer natural language questions using SOCIB data, documentation, and other information sources. The system returns text responses, graphs, maps, and interactive visualizations. Additionally, in collaboration with Lobelia Earth, we explored the creation of an integrated viewer that unifies observational and SOCIB model data. Also, we are equipped with a highly flexible viewer system capable of creating specialized viewers, and this enables a powerful new capability, generating on-demand interfaces adapted to the user's needs. Let me introduce you the prototype we have developed in collaboration with Blue Lobster, the Medito Chat. It allows users to interact with the system by asking questions in natural language, and it is able to integrate multiple sources of information and generate dynamic answers in text form, graphs, maps, and all of that within a single interface. I'll show a video about it and explain it in a little more detail in the demo later. Currently, Medito Chat is evolving into Medito Explorer. This development represents a substantial change as we are moving away from the chat-only format to develop an intelligent, iterative, agent-based interface that enables users to explore, analyze, and interact with the digital twin through natural language conversations. This new phase is focused on providing deeper integration and validation of data and specialized knowledge. We are focusing on following aspects: continuous expansion of services and operational tools, such as those you can see there, as data management and report writing, the integration of internal digital twins, and the standardization of prototypes using the what's now, what's next, what if approach. The incorporation of external digital twins along with the standardization, along with the design of mechanisms with their providers to for the standard implementation, laying the foundations for a robust and scalable integration of digital twins in the future. The long-term vision contemplates that users have the ability to integrate DTOs as extensions, adapting it to their particular interests and needs. And also a map for integrating data, models, and DTO results. The platform is available in 3 languages and is tailored to 3 different types of users that we tried to align with the personas defined by Edito. The Explorer are everyday users, analysts, experts who carry out in-depth analysis, and testers are advanced users focused on validating and refining the system. To provide comprehensive support for the Edito Explorer, the system relies on the integration of several previously developed components. This entire infrastructure is unified within a central engine that we call Edito Orchestrator, which manages the lifecycle of queries through a clearly defined workflow. The operational workflow begins the moment the user enters a query into the Edito interface. Then a dispatcher selects the most appropriate scenario and agent group, and this early classification is key to token optimization. The orchestrator then coordinates the specialized agents to run tools and combine diverse knowledge sources. The system selectively activates agents and uses an intelligent memory management system. This prevents context window overload and also optimize the use of tokens. The collaboration between specialized agents ensures that the final answer response is validated, contextualized, and enriched before being delivered to the user, minimizing errors or inconsistencies in the data provided. To finish, the evolution of Edito Orchestrator is guided by 3 key principles: consolidating sustainability through the continuous optimization of resources, ensuring the system scalability to integrate new scenarios, tools, agents in an efficient way, and ensuring a strict security and regulatory framework that provides protection in terms of cybersecurity and data privacy. This wouldn't be possible with our contributors, so thank you to them and thank you to all of you for listening.
Thank you very much, Lenna. And just because I didn't mention the acronym SOCIB, but we're talking about, obviously, and you talked about it, the Balearic Islands Coastal Observing and Forecasting System. Thank you very much for that presentation. Can you, a similar question to previously, when is this all been put into place, and this new agents, and how is this developing calendar-wise?
So my colleagues have been working on on agent systems for a long time, like since ChatGPT came out. But in the last years, when it became more popular, it made more sense to change to the actual frameworks that were provided rather than maintaining the one that they created. So that is a long time, but right now, let me see something. This pilot, sorry.
It's a multi-year process, I understand correctly, obviously.
It's like for a long time that they have been working on it, but not on this. It's a thema for a long time, but right now we're trying to focus a little bit more. But we have not obtained more resources, so we're doing it at the same time as we're continuing with the operational work. So
I think a lot of organizations know that phenomenon, having to do 2-3 things at the same time, plus find funding to keep doing the research. In any case, as we say, en tout cas, well done, thank you very much, and we can welcome you back to the room, continue the work.